possible. Beautiful. One more. Already moving. Excellent. That moved good. Stay put. Okay, put it here. Scoop like that.
Whoa.
Back down. Hands here. That was good.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. That one over here too. So right there.
Oh my god.
Right.
No coffee.
No coffee. This will wake you up. There it was.
Mama.
How'd that one feel?
Oh,
Good.
Now, what we're going to do is start here in the mid-back, and just to show you again what the pressure is like, it's going to be like this. Is that okay on the front?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So you're going to feel a movement and hear a noise, and the noise is not your bones rubbing together, it's nitrogen gas releasing from the joint. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, big deep breath in and out. Chest relax. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
How'd you do there?
I'm good.
Up here in the lumbar spine, and then I'm going to lean over you.
Okay.
Force comes between our pockets.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you do have that natural tendency
I
to
know.
push the hips
Yeah,
out, right?
I'm
Okay.
always sticking my bum out.
Breath in, all the way out. Hips relax all the way. Beautiful movement. That was big.
Yay!
Okay. Like so. Hips relax. Drop here. And then we go. Breath in again. And out. Drop the hips all the way. Much bigger movement, right?
Yeah.
Ears.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same thing. So we're gonna breathe in deep and out. Breathe in again. Head relax. Drop here. Wow.
That was best.
Nice. Okay, David's jumping out, playing. Relax, relax, relax. So I use, there we go.
Awesome.
So use a bit of a kick just to get a
Other
nice,
side?
yeah, on the
Oh,
other
that's
side.
good.
Take a deep breath, breathe out, let go. Again, I'm using my whole body here. Good.
He's like, you got the AC. All right. Okay, so we're gonna do the neck now. So we're just gonna bring you over here.
Ow!
And same thing right here. Very good.
So we're gonna start off right here on the T3 on that right. We're gonna come through and good. Just getting that movement back over, bring that back to midline. Just a little bit over on the T1. Good. Okay. And then her secondary main complaint through here was gonna be right through here on that left side. So this is where we're gonna go. Take a deep breath in and let it out. There we go. Good.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
So we're gonna be doing the side posture adjustment. What that's gonna be is I'm gonna roll you a little bit more over towards me and just bring your
Okay.
attention and do an adjustment here, okay? There we go. Good. Got a lot of movement with that there.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Other side?
Lay flat on your back first.
Okay.
Legs straight.
Same thing.
Same thing,
Okay.
yes. There we go. Flat on your back. I just want to recheck because I know that right side was pretty locked up. So we're we're just gonna do a little testing. Oh, and actually it started moving just with that a little bit.
Whoa.
Good. Okay, then. And exhale out. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Good. Alrighty, so you can relax with your arms down by your side now. And this is where from here, I'm gonna distract in the y-axis.
Okay.
And then it's just a light thrust from here. Good.
All right. Yeah, big hug there. Good. All right, in just a second. Good. Excellent. Very good. And just stretch them out a little bit. All right, you feel all that unlock there?
that's a lot.
Yep.
Right here, T1 on the left-hand side is gonna be that first adjustment that we're gonna be making. Good. And then T3 on the right. Good. That's right through here, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. You felt that first pop?
Yes.
You felt that first one? That was your rib going back in. The rest was actually in the thoracic spine that was moving. So we're feeling a little bit out of alignment right in the upper part of the neck here. Drop this shoulder for me. Relax that shoulder. Good. Perfect. Relax that right shoulder. Good. There we go. And a little bit lower here. We're going to do one more in the thoracic. And let it go. There we go. Okay, and stay just like that.
Good. Wow, what's your first reaction to that besides wow? Anything else? How does that feel?
Just feel it like shooting up the side of my neck and up to my head.
Yeah.
Just like a rush of blood or something.
Rush of blood kind of opens things up, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Good, nice.
Yeah, that one wasn't as bad as the other side.
Yeah, the other side is where the problem is. That's the whole right side going on. So you felt that more intensely. We're checking Jonathan on a C2 here. Sebastian, get down here so you can hear this crack on here. You can get this nice and low for me. Good. And now we're going to do a little bit of an occipital lift here. Side. This is kind of an occipital lift. I'm tractioning his head this way with my lower hand here. And then I'm going to adjust his occiput. I'm going to get this right occiput to drop away. There you go. And there you have it.
Together, you don't need to grit them or anything. Just breathe through your nose. Yes, ma'am. It wasn't so bad, was it? You feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, drop this in my hands here. That's it. That's one. Good job. Now I'm going to put you on the knee chest for that one. Go up a little higher though. Good. Yes, ma'am. Yep, crack at it's gonna love you too. Let me have this leg. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Yeah.
Did you? Okay. let this one go. There we go. Okay, now let's take you up this that way, please.
But since it's a rib issue, I'm just gonna move it just a millimeter off to the side. Not a whole bunch, but just to change where my fulcrum goes. Take a breath in and out, and then roll this back. Woohoo! Man, that was it right there.
Yes, it was.
Yeah. So,
Sir, herniated disc, just breathe normal for me. There you go. Yeah, see, I knew you'd be a crack addict's favorite. Yeah. That's a girl. Okay. Nice and easy. Breathe. That a girl.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, that's the most common reaction we get is OMG. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
Good. Okay, keep breathing.
I think I'm taller.
Yes, you are. I got you. That's a girl. Oh, yeah. I told you I was just getting started.
Good, nice. Beautiful.
Okay, good job. Yep, crack addict's gonna love you. Boy. Good job. And manners coming from the younger generation, don't you think?
I agree with this.
Okay, nice and easy here. Now I'm just gonna traction this out. There you go, good. Now you should have felt that. Traction all the way down, did you?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let me have your neck like you're sleeping. I got you. No, you gotta let me do it. There you go. Okay, wiggle your left big toe. Okay, got one more. Till your right ear to your right shoulder. That's it. Better. So this is for the lower sacrum. So I want to keep the spine close to neutral since she already wants to go into hyperextension. So I'm going to scoot the pelvis closer to me, and I'm going to drive down this way at the sacrum. Good. Go the other way. Now this is her first adjustment here at the source, by the way, and she agreed to do it on camera. So here we go. And I don't adjust like, or a lot of people in this office don't adjust like the majority of chiropractors. So interesting to see feedback after this adjustment. So L1, L2, there's a compression. So what I'm looking for is to actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contact L2 and distract it away from the L1. So we're coming down inferior with the rounding of the sacrum, and that rounding of the sacrum is gonna avoid that hyperextension of the lower spine. So I'm bringing the spine to neutral, rolling the system as a group, gonna pull that L2 off the L1. Boom, just like that. Nice, huh? Go to your stomach for me. So we're going mainly posterior to anterior, which is back to forward, so right there. Beautiful adjustment. I'll be rip-roaring ready to go the rest of the day. The weekend. We're going golfing tomorrow. Oh yeah. Beautiful.